What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Hearts to Hearts film. If you new to the family, don't forget hit that like, share, subscribe button. Alright, y'all. Tonight, your girl is making dirty rice and mustard fried chicken. I already got my chicken clean. Dirty rice. Got my seasoning right there. The ground beef. Alright, y'all. Y'all already know the drill. Y'all know your girl got had that total attachments, y'all. I put that total trashes on that chicken. Put that total trashes on that chicken. Put that total trashes on there. Too much season on there, but I already using that mustard now. That garlic powder. Garlic powder. Then repeat and do on the other side. Alright, y'all. Time to put that Frank's mustard on it, y'all. Put that mustard on there. Don't put too much mustard now, y'all. Just like that. And rub it in. Rub it in, y'all. Once you rub that in, come dip it in there, y'all. Don't be scared to get y'all hands dirty now. Y'all know how it go. Don't scared to get your hands dirty. Rub that mustard in. Rub it. Rub it. Better rub it how like y'all be rubbing on y'all man. Rub that in there. Now I get time to get ready to fry it. Alright, y'all. I just put my ground beef on. I got slow cooking. I always remember, y'all, keep your ground beef on low so you won't burn it. Never fast cook your ground beef. Look at that. See already? It ain't burnt. Then I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna get my flour. Put it in my bowl. Oh snap, trying to get it, y'all. Put my flour in the bowl. Then get my chicken. Batter it up. Batter the chicken up. Another piece. Y'all, don't y'all hate when some chicken be bigger than others? Alright, y'all, chicken all floured. Now it's time to drop it in the grease. Drop it in the grease. There's one piece. Another piece. Third piece. Got the little itty bitty one in there. Alright, y'all, then gonna let that cook. Alright, y'all, let my ground beef cook a little bit more. Got my water on for it. And then come over here with the chicken in it. With the chicken. Look at that chicken, y'all. Okay, chicken fill up. Now I just gotta let my water boil. Put my dirty rice. And that's it. Y'all, look at that chicken. Ooh, that look good, dog. You good ready to eat. And that ground beef. Ooh-wee. We're gonna smash up in here, ain't that right? We're gonna smash, ain't it? Got that right. We're gonna smash up in the night. Oh, y'all, just pour that. I just pour that ground beef in that time. Put that dirty rice in there. Alright, y'all. Stir it up. Stir it up. Let that come to a bowl. Then we're gonna simmer it down. Yes, Lord. They're gonna be good. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I just turned my first batch of chicken out. It looks good, don't it, y'all? They're gonna be real good. So good, make you want to slap your mama. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Gold and crispy. Don't get no better than that. Alright, y'all. The food done. Chicken done. Dirty rice done. Alright, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know how it did. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe to the Hearts to Hearts film. I'm out. Deuces.